Prabha Henry Sebastian. We are talking from room number 8.
Where are you from? Don't say room number. Thiruvananthapuram.
Thiruvananthapuram.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are right.
What last name I got? The first name I didn't get.
My name is Prabha Henry Sebastian.
Prabha is good enough. I am not giving you Aadhaar card. Don't worry. I am Prabha. That's good enough. Okay.
But I would like to know my name.
Yeah, wonderful. But for me to address you Prabha, that's only what I want. Yeah.
Okay, sir. See, whenever we talk about education,
Which grade you teach and what do you teach?
my subject is social science.
Yeah.
I teach up to grade 6.
Okay. Good.
So my question is, not my question, actually it is my concern for a long time. Whenever we talk about the overall development of a child, and while studying my TTC and my B.Ed, it's every time we are coming to know that education is something which is the overall development of a child. And this is a quote by the great Mahatma Gandhi. I do know that. And as I would like to read books, I used to read many books which is related to children. If you ask me some books name, the first book which I can tell you is Toto-chan. And everybody knows about that book, which says about the overall development of a child, how it should be, and how the Toto-chan has been turned to become the goodwill ambassador of UNICEF become. So when the child was able to join in a school, such a naughty child, she turned to the greatest one due to the Koyabashi master, and from the life related education which she got from that school. Here is the question. When I suggested this book to many of my students to read, some of them turned to me after reading and they asked a question. Prabha ma'am, as you said, we have read that book, but our concern or my concern is that then why our schools are not like this Koyabashi Master School? Why are we not studying the things which they have enjoyed in their school? Then why did you ask me to read this book? It impressed me a lot, but nothing is in practical life. So my concern is that whenever we are talking about so many things, but nothing is coming in practical. And I do know practically there are difficulties, but even though my concern when we talk about this much about the education or the development of the child, the first thing we have to change our education system. When the education system changes, these all overall development will be happening for the child, and it will be giving a stress-free working atmosphere to the parents and the teachers. And another question I have, shall I continue? Or?
Yeah, continue.
One more question is that as we are in GCC, we are avoiding some religious part which is saying about the great religions like Jaina and Buddha religions. But as a teacher, as an Indian, as a reader, I personally believe that our children, Indians, must know about this kind of religion. And by avoiding all these things, we are not giving or we are declining the chance for them to know about such kind of great hereditary of India. And as a person or as a citizen of India, I do believe because of not knowing our hereditary of India, there are lots of issues happening in India based on religion. So why do we have to avoid? I do know that to avoid some religious problems, but still I have this concern. Why do we have to avoid such parts? And why don't we turn back to our religion as education system, as you said, to keep the overall development of a child? Thank you, sir.
Prabha, I am sure I cannot give you a solution, but I can give a solution to you.
Listening to you, sir, please.
I can give a solution to you. Assume I take a job. There are few conditions. I also had similar concerns. I'll tell you one example. I went to naval residential place. where my relative was there, my sister was there, my brother-in-law was working in Navy. When I went there, immediately we had a beautiful movie there, and from a small village like Kerala, I had only dhoti, no pants, no full sleeve shirts. But to go and see a movie in the Navy theater, I must have a shoes, I must have a belt, I must wear pants, I must have a full sleeve shirt. I cannot question. To watch a movie, why do you want all these stupid dress? So I have only two choice. What is my choice? Either to adhere to the rule or skip the movie. Correct? So all the questions which you asked, I can only suggest you, you are not the right person to work in such environment. You are there.
Get the last point?
Yeah?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I didn't get the last point. Come again, please, sir.
You are not supposed to work there if you have a dream of creating such a school. You cannot change the system. You cannot change the rule of the country. But what you can do is,
I
no.
don't want to change the rule of the country, but my concern is when we talk about the overall development of a child, these all are included into that.
100% I am agreeing. I cannot make a difference to the system. I cannot make any difference to the rules in that country. Better not to be there and work differently. So Prabha, you can come to Hyderabad. I can give you 5 acres of land. There are rich people ready to give 5 acres of land. Yesterday also somebody said, sir, I will give you land. Start some institution. Whichever is of your dream. There are a lot of people.
Sir, actually, this is one of my dream.
Yeah,
Because
that
really
is-
I was there once upon a time in Hyderabad.
That is what I am saying. There are a lot of people who start different styles of schools. The other day, one of the parent programs which I gave in Aksharavanam. The school name itself is Aksharavanam. Aksharavanam is a school where no syllabus is taught, no class separations are there. They will train only 150 varieties of trade. They are given library to read whatever they want. If I want to do it, I can do it. There are schools which are running with a different system, different style where Buddhism is taught, Jainism is taught, Indian heritage is taught. But I cannot demand that every school in this world has to do that. When I went to US, there was an interreligious discussion in one of the schools. Exhibition was not science. Exhibition was different rooms with different depictions of different religions. Introducing to the students. I happen to be one of the panel members there for discussion. Interreligious discussion by Dr. TPS. You will see American students eagerly learning. I had an interfaith campus in which we had lot of programs in which I taught 6 different Indian language songs to those choir members in the church. They were all singing different songs. I taught to them Sanskrit, Kashmiri I got somebody, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, all the different songs, and we had an ethnic show in which the priest was singing the song. Understood? Probably I will not be able to do that in a different country where restrictions are there. So what do? Do I have to waste my energy saying, I was also part of government. I am 100% sure. That's why earlier also I said, National Education Policy prescribes. Implementation will not happen, I said. In most of my talks for the Grandma Child Care Shiksha Gurukulam, I kept on saying these new education policy principle will not happen because schools will not accept it. Management will not accept it. The other day I was talking.
Thank you so much for this point. Sorry for interfering again.
Yeah.
After knowing all these things, still we are wanting or we are longing for the system which we already know this is good for the child's development, but we are bound to work for the current scenario.
Yeah.
And I do understand, I do respect the country's rule and regulation, but I have explained or expressed my concern as a teacher or as a
Each day when you spend, each day I spent, I learned lot of things. My ambition is Whatever I share will be given to somebody else when they wanted to implement. There are a lot of schools where I go, the normal practice is not done. In Tirupati, there is a school now. They were not able to run online. So that's all lost. The buildings are there.
This is fine, sir. There are some studious students, those who would like to read books. Sometimes the children raises some questions that, ma'am, it is written like this, it is written like that, but why it is not there with us? Why are we not?
Yeah, this is the answer. Probably what I gave can be a trigger for you to answer to all of them. We have a lot of other opportunities to read, not necessarily in the classroom. The system may not be very good, but every day I learn something so that tomorrow I get an opportunity. I can create a new system. I can create a different world. So education is not to change the world today. Education is to create a new generation who may think differently and make some differences in the years to come. That's how the revolution happens. Evolution
the
happens.
opportunity for them to think differently or create the world in a different way. And as we are not doing something now, when how we can expect the students to change the world in future?
100% it is possible.
And all
The change.
getting one more thing.
The change happens. The change happens only when you have undergone in a system which is not acceptable to you. You think of something new. That is what happens. Change. As a social scientist, you must understand. I don't call you a social teacher. You are a social scientist. A social scientist must understand if there is oppression, if there is something which is lacking. That is where we start thinking and create some new world. And that is what evolution is. It is good to learn the heritage. I am also an Indian scientific heritage person. Every day I have got sessions. Today also I have got 4:30 to 5:30 talking about Indian heritage. But those lessons are not to think about what we had and be proud of. It is all to learn and create a new world where I can make some difference in the life of the next generation. That's what I believe.
Sir, with all respect, I do agree with you. And I want to tell that we Noble School teachers, with our principals and HOSVP's leadership, we are also trying our level best to give to the students.
Good. Wonderful. Wonderful.